A very good morning to you all, dear students. So yesterday we have started with block 23. So today we will start with another topic, that is connecting places under block 23. Our aim for today is students will be able to assess the importance of rail transport in India for carrying goods and people across distances. Resources needed is the political wall map of India, worksheet S2, exit content book in your notebook. The keywords for today is railways. As you all know what is railways, metro train and local train. Alright, these are the different type of train, okay? So now, why do we travel by train? Why do we travel by train? What will be your answer for that? Why do we travel by train? Alright, so you all keep that in mind, okay? That question. See, today we will learn about the railways in India and how the railway help us. Alright, and how they help us, okay? So that is what we will learn today. Now, you do one thing, okay? Make notes in your notebook. Alright, on point number one, which places are connected by the lines in all four direction, and what do you think these lines are? That is from your worksheet S2, okay? Worksheet S2, you please take out your worksheet S2 and you have to make notes in your notebook on point number one, which places are connected by the lines in all four directions. Point number two, what do you think these lines are? So this is from here, okay? You please observe from your worksheet S2, okay? You have to look in the map, right? And then you have to find out these two questions: which places are connected by the lines in all four direction, and what do you think these lines are? That is after observing this particular picture, okay, map. All right, I'll leave it on to you. Moving ahead with our discussion, what do the line tells you? What do the lines tell you? And which places on the map are connected by that line? Where is India? Where in India are these cities located? Which places are connected by these lines in all four directions? So what do the lines tell you? Which places on the map are connected by the lines? Where in India are these cities? Which places are connected by these lines in all the four directions? So after observing this particular picture, okay, the map of India, you have to answer the given question, okay? So as you observe the given picture, you will see that these lines, they show how places in India are connected by the railways, okay? So places in the east are Kolkata and Bhubaneswar. In the south it is Chennai, southwest it is Hubli, in the north it is Delhi, northwest it is Jaipur, northeast it is Guwahati, and in the west it is Mumbai. So beside these places marked on the map, trains they pass many other cities and towns in the country. Alright, so it reaches even our place, okay, Dimapur. Alright. Now, what are the importance of railway? See, railways are important because people can travel long distance, all right, and it helps to carry goods from one place to another. And also, the metro local trains, they help people to work, shopping, and college. And trains can carry many people together, okay, unlike buses where seats are limited. Trains can carry thousands of people at a time. Coming back to our generalized discussion, okay, are you actually surprised by the number of train connections in our country? How many trains do you think there are in India and why? What would happen if we did not have a rail network in India? I'll repeat the question. Are you surprised by the number of train connections in our country, and how many trains do you think there are in India and why? What would happen if we did not have a rail network in India? Alright, so see, we have hundreds of trains in India. Okay, remember we have hundreds of trains in India that connect cities and towns. Alright, smaller trains connect small villages too. We also have local trains and metro trains transporting people within cities. Alright, and we need to travel for work, for holidays, and many other reasons. Okay, so we need to send things from one place to another for buying as well as for selling purpose. So the trains, they are less expensive as compared to the bus or the car or the jet fare. Okay, and it can carry hundreds of people at the same time across long and short distances. So India, we know, is a very big country, and if we did not have railway to connect places, traveling long distances will be very difficult. All right, the last question: where do you think traveling by train could be difficult? When do you think traveling by train could be a difficult one or a difficult journey? When do you think traveling by train could be difficult? Alright, so see, traveling by train is difficult, especially during the floods, rainy season, when the railway tracks are underwater. Okay, trains, they are not connected to many places high up in the mountains or across sea and across ocean. So the trains, they cannot reach island like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So that is the problem that the train may face. Okay, so things to do for today: practice question number 3 and 5. Practice question number 3 and 5. Practice question number 3 is: what are metro local trains? Why do we use them? What are metro local trains? Why do we use them? And practice question number 5. Why do we have such a large train connection in India? So those are the two questions that you need to do. Okay, write it down in your notebook along with your worksheet as 2. You have to look at the map and list the places in the east, north, south, and west that are connected by line in your notebook. Alright, I hope you know the direction. Okay, so this portion is known as north, east, west, and south. So please keep that in mind, and accordingly you find the places after observing the map. And number 2 is write 3 ways in which train help people in India. Question number 3: which places cannot be reached by train? So those are the things to do. Okay, that's it. Take care and have a good day.